Hello friends, today we have some boxes. We're going to be touching the Veloster N. I know we don't often touch the Veloster N on this channel, but we will be doing that today. We have some maintenance items. We have our cabin air filter. We will be doing that for our first time ever on this car. We have our engine air filter. We will also be doing that for our first time on this car. And these are from Hyundai Parts Deal. It is a little cheaper than the rest of the sites, but these are direct OEM fitment. So total, we paid like 70 something, I think 80-ish for both of these. And then we got a wiper. Very cool thing about these parts is that you don't actually need any tools to do any of this. It should all just be doable by hand, and it should be very quick. We're gonna start with the cabin air filter. So here it is. You can see it is Hyundai Mobis, like the rally car. And you can see what side faces down. I'm gonna move this back for you guys to see a little bit. Okay, so first what we gotta do, we gotta empty the glove box, and then it should just be 3 tabs. We have a little bit of stuff in our glove box. I don't actually know, I haven't explored it very much. Do we have any Genshin Impact gamers here? This is Kazuha. We have some Sanrios, I think.
That's a Sanrio, and that's from Inuyasha.
Yeah, see some Sanrios to keep us safe. Hand sanitizer. Tire stem valve, even though we have our own reading there. And then this. Actually, I really like the short cables for Android Auto and Apple, whatever, because I don't touch my phone that way. It's really close. So short cables are really nice for us. All right, so here we go. This is the first tab here. It just pulls right off. Let me put it back on just again for you guys. It just pulls right off. Nothing required there. And then there's these right here. You can see these two, I don't know what they're called. They're just little tabs, but they just turn left. This one turns left, and they pull out. There we go. I should have known I was gonna do that. So here, we have the tab. We can just pull on it, pinch and pull. And then this should just wiggle off. Like so. This is just a tab. It pulls off like that. Slides right off. And then we have our cabin air filter. This is our first time removing the cabin air filter.
Man, we should have done this sooner.
Not that bad, honestly. I was like half expecting a rat's nest or something. So
Ooh, there's a bug. Dentists, avert your eyes.
okay. So we are opening this. You can compare the two. Here is the comparison of filters.
Which one's dirty? It's hard to tell.
Okay. So now that our cabin air filter is in, as you can see, our new one, and we've pinched it in, clipped it back in there, all we have to do is use this here, and this just pops right in there like that. And then you take these, and then you're just gonna turn right, and it just wants to be past these little points here. So turn right, and there it is. That's the cabin air filter installation for the Veloster N. As I was saying earlier, our driver's side wiper is leaving streaks. So that is our old one. And in goes the new one. Oh. There we go. We have a wiper. I think it's on. Feels on. I don't know why it's doing that thing, but yeah, it feels on. Woo! Woo! Wipers! They work. Okay. Engine air filter time. Pop the hood quick. This is our engine air filter from Hyundai Parts Deal. Also direct OEM replacement. We are gonna pop the hood. This is exciting. It's our first time like actually ever touching the N to any capacity besides the wheels and cosmetic changes like this and that and that. So, all right. So the Veloster N has a really cool trick, and it's super easy to do this. Install. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 little things. They come off that easy, just like that. And then we can just pull it right off. Ugh. Pretty nasty. This thing says pull. All you gotta do is pull. And we've taken our filter off. Look at all these flies and nasty stuff. This is our new filter. Should be exactly the same as the old one. And it just slides right in. Okay. And then, so it just goes right in there. We have this thing. And that was the engine air filter. Very, very easy. 0 tools required. Cool.